Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring admin privileges and that the device firmware is compatible. This matters because optimizations can fail on old builds. Next, back up the current configuration and note baseline metrics: latency in ms, throughput in Mbps, packet loss in %. Once done, open the Net Optimizer interface, load the backup to a safe slot, and create a new profile named for the change. This first sequence avoids rollback pain and gives you measurable before and after data. You now tune the core engine to match traffic goals. Choose a policy: latency sensitive for interactive apps or throughput prioritized for bulk transfers, because policies change queue behavior. Then adjust buffer sizes, MTU, and packet pacing. Small increments matter, so change one parameter at a time and observe. Make sure monitoring is on via SNMP, SFlow, or built-in telemetry so you can see real-time effects. Once these middle steps are applied, run a controlled test with representative traffic. You finish by applying the optimized profile during a low-usage window and monitoring the impact. Compare post-change metrics to your baseline. If degradation exceeds 5%, revert immediately using the saved backup. Make sure to stage further tweaks incrementally rather than sweeping changes. If issues arise, check optimizer logs for dropped packets or policy conflicts, isolate offending rules, and roll back only that segment. One key troubleshooting tip: if behavior is unpredictable, restore the backup and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.